Right now, your iPhone is broadcasting your exact location down to the street you live on directly to your cell phone carrier. And what are they doing with that information? They can share it with law enforcement, and even worse, it can be targeted by hackers. Just think about that. Your carrier knows where you live, where you work, and the routes you take every day. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's happening in the background on your phone without you even knowing it. But in this video, I'm going to show you the secret weapon this new update gives you to fight back. We're going to walk through the critical settings you need to change today to make yourself practically invisible to these data trackers and shut down this invasive practice for good. First, you need to understand asterisk. Why asterisk? This is so critical. Your personal data is one of the most valuable resources on the planet. Every move you make, every app you open, it's all being collected, packaged, and sold to the highest bidder. These bidders are data brokers, advertisers, and sometimes criminals looking to exploit you. Most of us think about privacy in terms of the apps we use. You might deny a weather app access to your location, and that's a great start. But what a lot of people don't get is that your phone can share location data completely outside of your apps. Your cellular provider can pinpoint your location just by seeing which cell towers your phone connects to. For years, we've had no control over this. It was just how cell phones worked. This constant stream of data is a goldmine for authorities and a major target for hackers. With recent breaches like the Salt Typhoon attacks on US carriers showing just how vulnerable it is, until now, Apple just dropped a bombshell on this entire system with iOS 26.3, and it changes everything. This brings us to the most important setting we'll talk about today. It's that secret weapon I mentioned, and it's called Limit Precise Location. This is a brand new feature, and it's a game changer for your privacy. So, what does it do? Simply put, it stops your iPhone from giving your cell carrier your exact street address. Instead of knowing exactly which house you're in, they'll only see your general neighborhood. It essentially blurs your location, making you a ghost in their machine. This is a huge shift. For the first time, Apple is giving us control over the data shared directly with the network, not just our apps. Now, a couple of crucial points. This does not affect your safety. In an emergency, first responders will still get your exact location. It also doesn't affect apps like Maps or Find My, which use different settings we'll get to in a minute. This is purely about putting a wall between you and your carrier's ability to track you. Here's how you turn it on. It's buried pretty deep in the settings, so follow these steps carefully. First, open your settings app. Then, tap on cellular From there, go to cellular data options scroll down and you'll see the new toggle. Limit precise location Flip that switch on now. There is a catch. Right now, this feature requires specific hardware. You'll need an iPhone Air, iPhone 16e, or a cellular-equipped iPad Pro with an M5 chip, all running iOS 26.3. Your carrier also has to support it. The first providers to roll it out include Boost Mobile in the US, and BT in the UK, and Telecom in Germany. But this is the future of privacy, and we expect it to expand to more devices and carriers soon. By turning this on, you're retaking a huge step toward reclaiming your privacy from a system that has been spying on you for years. Okay, we've handled the carrier. Now let's talk about your apps. This is the classic privacy battleground, and you're probably more familiar with it. But are you getting it right? Let's check. Go back to the main settings page and tap on privacy and security . The very first option is location services . Tap it. This screen is your command center for app location tracking. You'll see a long list of every app that's ever asked for your location. You need to be ruthless here. Go through this list app by app and ask yourself, does this app really need to know where I am at all times? ULLC. A few options for each one. Never . The app can get your location, period. Ask next time or when I share . The app has to ask for permission every single time. While using the app . This is the best choice for most apps that actually need your location, like Google Maps or Uber. Always . This is the most dangerous setting. An app set to always can track you 24/7 in the background. Social media, shopping, and news apps have absolutely no reason to be set to always. Change them to while using or never right away. Also, on this screen, look for the precise location toggle. Just like with the carrier setting, most apps don't need to know your exact address. A weather app just needs your general area for a forecast. Toggle this OFF for any app that doesn't need pinpoint accuracy. While we're still in location services, we need to deal with one of the creepiest features on your iPhone: significant locations. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the Location Services menu and tap System Services ***. Inside this menu, find and tap on Significant Locations ***. You'll need Face ID or your passcode to get in, which tells you just how sensitive this is. What you're looking at is a detailed log of all the places you go to frequently: your home, your office, your favorite coffee shop. Your iPhone has been quietly mapping your entire life. Apple says this data is encrypted and stays on your device, but having this log at all is a privacy risk. If someone gets a hold of your unlocked phone, they have a blueprint of your daily routine. My advice? Turn it off. Tap the toggle at the top to disable significant locations. Then, just to be sure, scroll down and hit clear history *. You've just erased years of your digital footprints. It might feel a little weird, but it's a critical step in taking back control. Next up is one of Apple's best privacy tools, but it only works if you use it the right way. Go back to the *** privacy and security *** menu. Just below location services, you'll see *** tracking ***. Tap on that. This is where App Tracking Transparency (ATT) lives. At the top, there's a switch that says ***, allow apps to request to track it. ***, it sounds friendly, but this is the switch you actually want to turn OFF. Here's why. When this is on, every app can hit you with a pop-up asking for permission to track you across other companies' apps and websites. They do this to build a shadow profile of you, your interests, your habits, what you buy, all to feed you hyper-targeted ads. By turning this main switch OFF, you deny all apps the * permission to even ask *. You're slamming the door in their face before they can even knock. No pop-ups, no requests, just a universal no. It's the single best way to stop advertisers from following you across the internet. Even Apple asks for your data. They say it's to improve their products, but your privacy should always come first. Let's turn that off. Head back to ** privacy and security ** one last time. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on ** analytics and improvements ***. Here you'll find a list of data sharing options like share iPhone analytics and improve Siri and dictation. All of these send your personal usage data back to Apple. Turn every single one of these switches OFF. Your iPhone will work just fine without them, and you'll have plugged another data leak. It's a 2-second fix that makes a real difference. While you're at it, scroll down a bit more in the privacy and security menu and tap on ***, Apple advertising ***. Inside, turn off ***, personalized ads ***. This stops Apple from using your activity in the App Store, Apple News, and stocks to target you with its own ads. So, let's quickly recap what you just did. You took a huge step in securing your digital life. You've blurred your location from your carrier, done a full audit on your apps, erased the log of places you visit, stopped advertisers from following you around the web, and told Apple to stop collecting your data. You didn't just flip a few switches, you took back ownership of your personal information. Your iPhone is an incredible tool, but it's up to you to manage it safely. These settings are your defense in the fight for digital privacy. The world is only getting more connected, and features like iOS 26.3's limit precise location show that the tide is turning, but only if we actually use them. Don't let corporations and data brokers treat your life as their product. If this video helped you take back a piece of your privacy, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss our next video. The digital world is always changing, and we're here to help you stay ahead of it. And please, share this video with a friend or family member. Everyone deserves the right to privacy. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.